Did you know there are channels out there that post videos online without showing their face or voice, and they're making over $100,000 every single month on YouTube? And you might be wondering, Ben, surely that isn't true. Well, I'm about to tell you today how it is. YouTube shows ads on the videos that are being played. At the beginning, during the video, and at the end of the video. Even if you're not monetized on YouTube nowadays, YouTube earn money through putting ads on your videos, but you can't get any of the money unless you have over 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers, so that's the threshold. Once you hit that threshold, you'll be able to join the YouTube Partner Program. That is when YouTube will pay you a cut of the ad revenue, which is 55% of it. And that's what we're talking about right now. That's how much you can actually make. Because advertisers want to put ads onto videos that are related to their product or service, so that's why they post these products and services as ads on your videos. So there's an actual company or person that's actually behind putting these ads on your videos. We at Tube Mastery run many different channels out there, and we did a bit of research to figure out how much each channel makes per 1,000 views, because that's how you work out how much you're going to earn. And the answer is that most channels make anywhere between $1 to $30 per 1,000 views. And so then the average channel earns about $15 per 1,000 views. Based on our experience though, most channels get between $5 to $10 per 1,000 views. So you might be wondering, how can I increase the CPM? Because that's ultimately what this is about. It's about increasing the amount you're getting per 1,000 views on YouTube. You want to create a channel in a high CPM niche. And as I said before, certain advertisers spend more money in other niches. For example, Apple have one of the top advertising spends, and they're most likely going to put ads on technology style videos. So here's a list of high CPM niches that you can steal right now and use for your own good. Feel free to pause it and screenshot if you need. Finance, make money online, technology, health, investing, travel, legal, insurance, makeup, marketing, real estate, cars, movies, DIY/tutorials. But those are high CPM niches, but some channels can actually get a lot more views when it's low CPM niches. Here are some low CPM niches that you might have heard of. Pranks, scary videos, gaming depending on the game, and general top 10 videos. So those are quite common videos that people make, but they're low CPM. So in order for you to make more money nowadays, you need to make videos longer than 8 minutes, because then you can add multiple different ads during the video. These are basically called multiple ad breaks that you can add in. But we don't recommend adding in so many of them during each video. We want to add it in every few minutes, maybe every 4 minutes. But don't make videos for the sake of it and add in only filler content. You want to make sure it's jam-packed with value and it's relevant to the title and thumbnail. But of course, this isn't the only way that you can make money and increase your CPM. You can increase it by increasing how much each viewer is actually worth to you. And what do I mean by that, increasing what each viewer is worth to you? Well, you can sell something like a digital product to the viewers. So for example, we at Tube Mastery make over $100,000 a month through this channel and other channels put together. This is by selling digital products. Check out our video, which is 12 digital product ideas that you can make. If you don't know what digital products are, then you can check that video out down in the description. For example, you can use something called socialblade.com. There's a Chrome extension, but you can also go to their website and see how many views they're getting per month and also how much that's actually generating them roughly. For example, if you look at a channel called Chris Invest, this is how much they're making per month and how many views per month they're getting. If you look at a channel like Tech Zone, for example, they're in the technology niche, and you can see how much they're actually making from that. So we've gone through the niches that you should be making videos in, the high CPM niches and also some of the low CPM niches. But if you want to find out why some of the high CPM niches are the best ones you should be making videos on, check out this video over here. I'll see you there. It's jam-packed with value. I'm looking forward to it.